My name is Stetson Robinson. I've been in excavation for about 17 years, and I'm partnered in an excavation company here in Bozeman, Montana. We do excavation and landscaping. The truck I've decided to buy for this year is a 24 GMC Denali. I picked that truck because I needed something that had a little bit higher towing capacity for not just for work, but also for play. You know, I have a big fifth wheel and we tow a lot of heavy equipment all the time. So I went with the Denali this year. The biggest thing that I looked at with DDC Wheels is I wanted something that wasn't going to have spacers, that wasn't going to have a bunch of extra crap on there that may or may not hold up to the test of time, right? When hauling a lot of weight, gravel roads, bumpy job sites, off camping out in the boonies, I wanted something that didn't have all that extra stuff. I wanted something that was a direct bolt up, tires wouldn't be rubbing, the duals wouldn't be rubbing each other, and I could fit the size tire I wanted on the truck and have it look the way I wanted it to look. What I think sets them apart from everybody else is the fact that they are a direct bolt up. There's no spacers, there's no adapters, and you can fit a good sized tire on the truck to get the look that a lot of us truck enthusiasts are after. We're only pushing these trucks further and further, and you need a wheel that's going to step up to the plate. That's what DDC provides.